Hey, what's going on, guys? Vega here from Serpent Special Forces, and I just recently received my Emrit Helium Hotspot miner. Now, this is not the original Helium miner, it's the rack hotspot miner that they gave me. Emrit does take a significant percentage of your Helium earnings, and in order to get one, you need to be at least, I believe, 300 meters near one hotspot, at least one hotspot within your immediate area. However, I am at my parents' house, not my normal house, and we're going to be utilizing this because this is where the hotspots are. Where my house is located, it is way too far away from any additional hotspots. Now, what comes in this box, it's like a normal rack miner, right? We got our get started guide, everything. Emrit does give me a nice little piece of paper here. Talks about, please watch this video, gives us the easiest steps, congratulates us on getting a miner, and follow steps 1 through 10. We're going to put that to the side. Underneath the foam, we get our hotspot, right? So it's a Raspberry Pi. Your name is at the top. I'm not going to show you guys that, but you can see it's basically a Raspberry Pi. So we got an Ethernet and 4 USBs. All the things we need. The antenna connection is right here. Power brick, and then the antenna. And it's a very normal antenna, normally what you would see on routers and everything like that. Very simple, very straightforward. Got to pair it, got to connect it. And in order to get one of these, I will recommend that you be at least near another hotspot. If you are nowhere near one, they probably won't even send it or decline your offer or your application. Power brick is going to be an issue for me because the only power I have is below the desk, and I'm going to have to get as close as I can to it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, get it configured, and really this video is just to show you what Emrit is sending you as far as the package, and it's pretty simple. You're going to be getting some helium, but they're going to be taking a significant cut, so just be mindful of that. I will probably release a future video on the actual profits that I made with this miner. I do have 2 more coming, so that's going to do it for today's video. Please do me a favor on the way out. Please let me know your thoughts. Please let me know what kind of miner you got. This is the rack miner. I personally like this one compared to the others. But let me know what miner you got and what your thoughts on helium mining. And are you using Emrit? Or have you hit up Emrit to try to get your free miner? And did they decline you or did they accept you? Alright guys, take it easy. Please hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe for more content like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.